morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. My name is TT. We're here at Concord, North Carolina, and about to do a little flight from here, Concord, to maybe Elkin County. Just trying to get these hours, so join me for the ride. Six quarts, that's exactly what we need. Cool. Alright, so get this thing cranked up. First I'll start with the fuel selector. Let's see, left tank. Actually, right tank. Right tank, we'll check the circuit breakers. We'll turn our rotating beacon light. Can let people know that we're starting up. Mixture's gonna go rich. Flaps are going to go up, prop is full forward, carb off, cabin vent off, cabin heater off, park brake, I'll use my toes. I'm going to turn the fuel pump on, 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. Turn it back off. Let's go ahead and throttle prime, do 1, do 2, we'll do 3, right? Don't think I've forgotten anything, we'll crank her up. Can I get a clear prop?
Dock 110 Sierra Quebec, Concord, ground runway 20, taxi Alpha.
Taxi Alpha to 20110 Sierra Quebec.
Let's go ahead and get the ATIS.
450 Zulu. Winds 220 at 10, gust 15. Visibility 10, skies clear. Temperature 15, dew point minus 01, altimeter 3015. Visual approach and use landing and departing runway 20. Advise on initial contact you have information Tango.
Tango. Alright, we've got information Tango. We'll go ahead and we'll start rolling a little bit. Test the brakes. Brakes are working good. Okay, so for today's flight, I'm trying to squeeze in a cross-country. That way I can get some cross-country hours, which are pretty much important for all the future jobs I can get. So that's what we're gonna do. Concord to Elkin. So Concord's identifier is Kilo Juliet Quebec Foxtrot, and Elkin County. It's a very nice strip, very short. Well, I mean, I know shorter strips, but it's a shorter strip on a kind of mountainous terrain, and I like going there because it's got cheap fuel.
and it works out to be perfectly 50 something nautical miles, which is what you need for cross country or to log cross country time. You can log cross country time if your point A, your departure airport, in a straight line to point B, your destination airport, is over 50 nautical miles. So Elkin just happens to be one of those airports, so I'm going to take advantage of that. And I don't think I'm going to need fuel this time, but that's pretty much my fuel run, is I always go to Elkin County, get some fuel. Alright, so I'm holding short of taxiway Alpha 9, and I'm going to give him a call, get my taxi clearance to the active runway. Concord ground, Mooney 325 Papa Lima. I'm at Alpha 9 with information Tango requesting a departure to the north.
Mooney 329 Papa Lima, Concord ground. Are you going directly north, or are you going northeast or northwest?
More so northwest for Mooney 325 Papa Lima.
Mooney 5 Papa Lima, roger. Runway 20, taxi via Alpha.
Runway 20 via Alpha, Mooney 325 Papa Lima. There we go. Got our taxi clearance. Taxi to runway 20 via taxiway Alpha. Alright, we're gonna do a quick run up over here. Gonna go 1700 RPM. We'll check the left mag. EGTs are rising. That's exactly what I want. Alright, we'll go back to both. We'll check the right mag. EGT is rising. Very good. And the drop is not excessive. Check the carb heat. EGTs are dropping, which is exactly what we want, because that means that the fuel and air mixture is being enriched when the carb heat is applied. We'll cycle the prop. There's a drop in RPM. 2 more. There's a rise in manifold pressure. There's a drop in oil pressure. We'll turn the fuel pump on. It does increase the fuel pressure. Oil pressure is good, oil temp is good, cylinder temps are good. Now we'll check slow idle. Alright, we'll apply takeoff flaps. And we are good to go. We'll open the cow flaps, switch to tower frequency. And we'll give them a call. Concord Tower, Mooney 325 Papa Lima, holding short runway 20, ready to go.
Mooney 325 Papa Lima, Concord Tower, remain outside the class Bravo, runway 20, clear for takeoff, right turn out approved.
Clear for takeoff, runway 20, right turn is approved, and will remain outside of the Charlotte Bravo airspace, Mooney 325 Papa Lima. Alright, so we're cleared for takeoff, fuel pumps going on, landing lights going on, cow flaps are open. Mixture is rich. Funnel approach is clear. And Johnson bar area is clear. Just have to work my way around these wires, I guess. Alright. Slowly advance the power.
Concord Tower, Archer 4489 X-ray, about 10 miles to the northeast. Inbound information Tango, looking for full stop.
Archer 4489 X-ray, Concord Tower, continue, report 5 miles northeast.
Reporting 5 miles, 4489 X-ray.
There's rotation speed. Alright, gear is coming down. Oil pressure's good, oil temp's good, cylinder temps are good. Flaps are up.
Concord Tower, 0727.
In a gentle turn to the right.
Romeo, holding toward the runway 20, ready to go.
0727 Bravo Romeo, Concord Tower, left turn out southeast bound approved, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Left turn out to
We'll reduce the manifold pressure to 25 inches.
Romeo.
And we'll reduce the propeller RPM to 2500 RPM for climb. Alright, 100 feet to go.
89er X-ray, make straight in approach, runway 20, report 3 miles.
Straight in approach, runway 20, reporting at 3 miles, 448 X-ray.
Okay, so cruise checklist. We'll turn the fuel pump off. Monitor the fuel pressure. Okay. Fuel pressure remains on the green. I'm going to reduce my manifold pressure to about 21 inches of manifold pressure. Reduce the propeller RPM to 2300.
Concord Tower, Seminole Career Track 1019 is 9 miles to the northeast with information Tango and full stop.
Career Track 1019, Concord Tower, good morning, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles, Cherokee 2400, entering the straight in approach, runway 20, you got that Cherokee in sight?
We're still looking, Career Track 1019.
Career Track 1019, roger, continue inbound.
Moving inbound, Career Track 1019.
Alright, we'll lean out the mixture.
Concord Tower, Sky 6574 Delta is holding short of 20 at Alpha, ready to go.
Sky 6574 Delta, Concord Tower, fly runway heading, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 20, clear for takeoff, 74 Delta.
Alright, we're at cruise. I'll check in with you guys later.
We're Golf, about 10 to the south, inbound with Tango.
Pilot State 63 November Golf, Concord Tower, good morning, sir. How about you make a slight left turn for the right downwind runway 20.
Okay, we'll flip over to the right downwind, so we're turning left here and 3NG.
Thank you, sir.
Roger, southbound, we'll expect base entry, Career Track 449.
Alright, life is good. Oil pressure's in the green. Oil temps in the green. Cylinder temps are right where they need to be. Amps are slightly positive.
690 Tango Concord, ground runway 20, taxi
Fuel
out.
quantity's good, fuel pressure's good. Got a very conservative power setting over here. So 21 inches of manifold pressure and 2300 RPM. And still, our ground speed is 140. Let's see, wow, it's still increasing. Ground speed is about
Track 449 from your present position, make the right turn for the left base.
143.
Making a right turn for left base, crew track 449. Crew track 285, continue to follow your company.
Alright, we'll follow company, crew track 285. Full square, crew track 449.
I don't know if the camera's gonna do this justice, but pretty nice out here. Some mountains. There's Elkin County down there. There's actually another airplane that's flying there. Elkin County, Mooney 325 Papa Lima, overflying the field 3,000 feet. We'll be staying at 3,000 feet, making a turn and departing the area to the south. Elkin.
Elkin traffic, Cessna 19 Foxtrot, turning left crosswind for runway 25, Elkin traffic.
And Elkin traffic, Mooney 325 Papa Lima has 19 Foxtrot in sight.
Aircraft overflying Elkin, roger that.
Moore County traffic 7750 Foxtrot, turn left base for runway 23, Moore County.
So much joy they brought to your life. Don't you just wish they could stay here? But God has another plan for them. It's His will and His way. But sometimes you just have to cry. You gotta take it day by day, and you have to say, oh, I miss you.
50 Foxtrot, turn final for runway 23, Moore County.
Traffic, 247
Gonna keep this turn going.
Lincoln County traffic, sure. Squadron 12 Lima Tango, base, runway 23, Lincoln County.
I miss you.
It's a nice little runway.
I know it's hard, but I understand. Yeah.
Alright, see you
Elkin traffic,
later.
Cessna 19 Foxtrot, turning left base for runway 25, Elkin traffic. 12 Lima Tango, final runway 23, Lincoln County.
Hopefully you guys can see the runway down there.
Traffic, 9 o'clock, 1 mile, 1,200 feet below.
Elkin traffic, Cessna 19 Foxtrot, turning final runway 25, Elkin traffic.
I'll never forget the way you smile. All the
Yeah. Oh, good.
all the ways you showed me you care.
That's funny.
So many things I learned from you, yeah. I'm so
Alright, so we're back.
no one more loving
Going to back to Concord,
It's comforting to know I'll
and this time I went for 4,500 feet, and it's a little bumpier up here, which is fine. 3,000 was pretty smooth, but if I look over here on my full flight, let's see here. JQF to ZEF. So let's see if we inverse the course from Elkin to Concord. Seems like headwinds are all the same. So I think that I'm gonna go for 3,000 feet since it was a little smoother down there. So we'll do that.
Test 1, 2, test 1, 2.
We may never understand why we're only here for a short time.
So I'm gonna play back some of the silly things I heard on guard frequency. So listen to this.
I can see off my hair. I love when you talk like.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Can I get up? Oh yeah.
I can see off my hair. I love when you talk like that.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I mean, people are having fun, so I think they know if there's some sort of emergency that those kind of shenanigans need to stop. But I think it's fun. It's pretty fun. It's funny. But anyway, we'll get to serious business here. So I have got the ILS 20 in the GPS there, and we'll just see if they'll give us a straight in.
Concord Tower 8 is information uniform, time 1550 Zulu. Winds 220 at 9er, gust 15. Visibility 10, skies clear. Temperature 16,
Light work.
00, altimeters 3014. Visual approach and use landing departing runway 20. Advise on initial contact with information uniform.
Alright, so we've got information uniform.
Grumman 717, there is a Cherokee on a 2-mile final, and that's what you're going to follow. Advise when you have them in sight.
Looking for the Cherokee, Grumman 26717. I've got the Cherokee in sight, Grumman 26717.
Grumman 717, roger. Follow the Cherokee, clear to land, runway 20.
Follow the Cherokee, clear to land, runway 20, Grumman 26717.
Okay, so there's Demo. I'm going to turn right to a heading of 196. Concord Tower, good morning. Mooney 325 Papa Lima, 10 miles to the north. Information uniform, requesting full stop.
Good afternoon, Mooney 325 Papa Lima, Concord. Proceed straight in on 20 and report a 3-mile final.
You got it. Report 3-mile final and proceed straight in, runway 20. Mooney 325 Papa Lima.
Clear track 202, 202, taxi to the ramp. Y'all have a good day.
02 to the ramp. Have a great one.
Alright, so let's see here. I'll start to slow her down a little bit. See if I can fly a perfect ILS. It's much easier to just sit in the right seat and watch someone else do it, so it's always good when I can go ahead and practice it myself and maintain my proficiency. Alright, so just trying to get below 120, which is the gear extension speed. So I think I've got it now. I can see my glide slope.
717, turn right when able and join Alpha to the ramp. Y'all have a good day.
Glide slope is live.
Turning right at Echo and Alpha to the ramp. Grumman 26717, thank you, good day.
While I'm at it, I'm going to turn my boost pump on. Power flaps I'll leave closed. There we go, 1 dot above the glide slope. So I'm just going to go ahead and extend my gear. Okay, I'll prepare the flaps. Flaps extension speed in the Moonies is 100 miles per hour, which I am below now. So now I'm going to try to target 90 miles per hour. And I'll get that carbide out. There's my glide slope. My ground speed is 68, which is closer to 70. So if my ground speed is 70, divide that by 2, I should be descending at about 350 feet per minute. I'll go ahead and go prop full, nice and easy. Concord Tower, Mooney 325, Papa Lima 3 mile final, runway 20.
Mooney 5 Papa Lima Concord, clear to land runway 20. The wind is 22010.
Clear to land, runway 20, 325, Papa Lima.
2 mile final runway 20.
Alright, so the boost pump is on, carbide's on. Gas, I'm not gonna change the tanks. Undercarriage is down and locked. Mixture is fine where it's at. Prop is full forward, and we'll wait to add the flaps. We already have some flaps, but I'll wait until minimums of I think 1026 on this approach.
500.
500 feet.
Tower Kona 202, short of 20, ready for takeoff.
Kona 202 Concord, roger. Got one landing. I'll have something for you shortly.
Yep, I see him now. We'll hold short, runway 20, Kona 202.
Alright, about 100 feet to minimums. Okay, there's minimums. Everything's centered. Diamond's right there in the middle. We'll look outside. There's my runway. And just because we have the runway inside doesn't mean I need to get sloppy on the approach now. Just gonna try to keep everything centered still. Gears down and locked. I'll check it 1,000,000 times if I have to. Runway's made. See if we can get 1,000 footers. Beautiful.
Mooney 5 Papa Lima, turn right and join Alpha and taxi to the ramp. Y'all have a good day.
Right turn and at Echo, Alpha to the ramp. Have a great day yourself. 5 Papa.
Thank you, sir. And Kona 202, turn left on course to the northeast. Remain clear of the Bravo, clear for takeoff. Runway 20.
Runway 20, clear for takeoff with a left turn out to the northeast, Kona 202.
Alright, we made it back down. And we're clear to taxi. I'll lean the mixture out. Clear left and clear right. There's Renee. Right on time.
Concord Tower, Skyhawk 110, Sierra, Quebec is 10 miles to the northeast, inbound.
November 110, Sierra, Quebec, roger. Enter a left base for runway 20, report a 3 mile left base.
Left base for 20, report 3 mile left base, 110, Sierra, Quebec, and we do have the uniform.
Roger, thank you.
Alright, that's it. I'm gonna switch everything off. Made it back to Concord. Right on time.
Nice result. Alright, thanks for joining me on the flights, and hopefully you guys had a good time and it was good footage. I sure hope so. I will see you next time. See ya. I was trying to race you back. I said I was trying to race you back.